I came to this country 10 years ago, and every day I love this country more and more. And now when I hit the city center and then I see like a mile away, I see all those cranes on top of buildings and then you can actually leave, you can see, that's the evidence that the country, it's booming, it's growing, retaining students, retaining professionals that they graduate here. So all these changes that we are living now with the new types of visas entitles the people to, after their studies, to stay in the country for another year. Now it's 2 years after an MBA in the country. That's a sign that the country needs those people. They don't want to let these people come back to their countries or to use their skills in a different country. Of course, by being 10 years here in the country, I worked as a contractor for many years. I always dealt with the agencies. I know them all, I know the recruiters, and I know their practices as well, right? And I understand that they work in a different pace. They match keywords on their CVs with the keywords that the job spec requires. And with that, it's the precondition for sending a person to a position, right? No preparation. And to me, there is a big discrepancy in the market when you think that the companies, every day they need better prepared professionals. When you in Dublin especially, you go to coffee houses or places that you can see that there are prepared people working behind the counter or cleaning floors, and then you talk to them and then you see that they have qualifications, but they cannot get to those jobs. So there's a big gap there. The market needs those people, and yet they cannot get those professions. They cannot get those companies. And for us at Workflow ICT, that's an opportunity to mitigate an issue that I believe that the market has. People lack soft and social skills, and I believe that we can address these by teaching them. Personal branding, networking tactics, advanced LinkedIn, business English, content writing, dress codes, professional dress codes, time management. And we believe that when a person goes through this learning and development method with us, the person will be ready, will be more confident, will be an improved professional after a period of time. I want to change things. I want to leave a legacy, and I want to be part of a change. That's the main idea behind Workflow ICT. Prepare people so that they can be confident, so that they can fill these gaps, so that they can be satisfy the market in a way that the companies need better prepared people, and we are preparing these people to the market.